Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove multiple accounts from your Instagram page. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. It says right here, log into your Instagram account that you would like to remove, and then tap or your profile picture on the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap in the top right, tap account center, scroll down and tap account, and tap remove next to the profile that you would like to remove. Tap remove account and then tap continue, then tap yes, remove the name of that account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead to your Instagram and click on your, let me just wait it out, click on your avatar icon on the below right corner, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click the three bars at the top right. Basically go ahead to the account center or meta, and basically you're going to be able right here to see the accounts or the profiles right here, basically, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and select the account that I want to remove. You're going to see right here name, profile picture, avatar, and all that, and you're going to be able to control or moderate the account from there. So basically you're going to be able right here to see the information about your account, basically, right? And you're going to be able to control the accounts, basically, right? And here you're going to see connected experience sharing across profiles. Here, if you want to sync, basically, if you want to remove the account, basically what you're going to do, you're going to just click right here the accounts. Basically you're going to see right here multiple accounts that you added. Just click remove and then remove the account, and basically confirm with your using the password of that account, and basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.